Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie, okay? So yesterday, if y'all watched yesterday's video, it was pretty much a huge rant about these sneakers right here. If you have not seen it, you need to go see it, okay? I will link it up under this video right now in the description. I will also leave a card right there for you to go see it. You have to watch it, man, because the crazy stuff that's going on with a signature on the bottom of it. Matter of fact, if you watch that video, if you seen that video, then leave a, you know what, leave one of the muscle emojis, you know what I'm saying? Leave a muscle emoji to let me know on dog, you know what I'm saying, you seen that video. But besides that point, guys, it's late. I had so much running around to do. I'm super late. I have to ship these off because I sold these because I didn't want them. And even though I had a chance to buy the other pair, I didn't buy them because it's the same shoe. But that's not the point. That's not the point. That's not why we're here today. The reason why we're here today is for unboxing. So I'm gonna head over to the post office, ship these off, man. I gotta hurry up because I'm almost late. The post office closed at like 5. It's like 4:15, 4:20, and luckily it's only like right down the road. So we really gotta get it moving. Before we start the vlog, man, I have to say, hit the like button, man. Let's try to get this video to at least 1,000 likes. Y'all been slacking lately. I ain't gonna hold you, but look, y'all still a fam. Y'all still a gang. Also, guys, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. 100K by the end of the year. We are so far from it, but I'm not counting this out. We can still do that. Let's make it happen. But let me go ahead and get ready to ship these off before the post office close. I'll get back with y'all soon.
Oh, it is, but when she's scanning it. Anybody else dropping out, picking up? We changing the dress. Dropping out, picking up.
Bruh, okay, now listen, alright. First of all, let me shout out the guy who just bought the Raptor 4s. I appreciate it, man. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of sneakers that I just don't wear no more, and the Raptor 4s was definitely in that category. But, man, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that line, bro? I was literally here for another, like, 30 minutes, fam. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, I took a lot out of my day. Anyways, as y'all see, we have a very big package here. I'm gonna be opening up very soon. Some other packages probably at the crib. So let's get to the crib, see what's in this. Something I want to show you guys. Something I'm kind of excited about, actually. Let's get to it. I don't know about y'all, but it is blazing outside. It is too hot for this, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. If you live in Atlanta, okay, leave a Georgia peach down there or something, bro. It is too hot today, man. Like, you can see the sweat on my shirt from my stomach. It's wild, bro. And I didn't do nothing but walk from the mailbox or to the post office to the car, and I already start sweating. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even a sweater like that. Anyways, guys, man, we finally back at home, and I can unbox these packages. The first package we got is actually from an actual brand, man, a homegrown brand, and I love doing videos like this where I'm unboxing packages that you guys send me because I love giving people opportunities or kind of, you know, pushing other people's stuff or other people's brands towards new eyes and new viewers. At the end of the day, it's all, in my opinion, it's all entrepreneurship at the end of the day, and I gotta respect that 100%. One thing I can say though is, bro, I'm sorry. I know you sent this a while back. I just haven't got a chance to open it up, and I didn't really want to open it up by itself. I wanted to open up with some stuff so, you know, you get the full, you know, the full rundown. But the company name is Cuzzo Clothing Company. It also has a website at the bottom of the bag called CuzzoClothing.com. So if any of you guys like any of the stuff I pull out of this bag, you can feel more than free to go to CuzzoClothing.com. It will be linked down below in the description. Let's see what we got, man. Y'all already know the blade ain't gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? The blade, the sniper blade, this is the best one on YouTube, I'm trying to tell you. Shout out to the guy who gave me this, man. Jimmy, shout out to you, bro. All right, so it looks like some shirts we got in here. Let me check them out real quick. Oh yeah, it is some shirts. We got a few different flavors too. Okay, got a note. Let me go ahead and read the note real quick. Snipe. You already know what it is, what? Snipe. Love your channel. Keep doing what you're doing, big bro. Much love. Welcome to the Cuzzo family. Love Cuzzo Clothing. Here's a code for 25% off for your subs, code SNIPE. Okay, so that's dope, man. Shout out to you, bro. Any of you guys want to use my promo code that I have now, you can use SNIPE, S-N-I-P-E, for 20% off anything over at CuzzoClothing.com. Like I said, it will be linked down below. Let's check out some of the stuff he sent. This platform is amazing. It's giving me an opportunity to meet people and to work with people I've never thought I'd be able to meet or work with, and I'm thankful, man. Thank you for sending this over. The first shirt we got here is a blue, white, and yellow, kind of like a Golden State colorway. I ain't gonna hold you, y'all know I'm not the biggest Golden State fan, bro, but I would definitely rock this. It's something you could throw on Laney 5s or something like that. Super dope, not bad. And it is my size medium, man. Not bad. Material doesn't feel, you know, terrible. It doesn't feel like bad or loose. You know, a lot of times when you got clothing companies, they send you stuff and they got the bacon collar. This is definitely not that. It's well put together for the first shirt. Wow, okay, the red one kind of has the same thing going on. Let me see if I can read it. It says Cuzzo Denim Company, established 1979, luxury brand. So shout out to all, man. Both of these are dope. I ain't gonna hold you. Like I said, any of you guys want any of these things, it will be linked down below. I think we got one more shirt in the bag as well. Here we have it, man. The last shirt on here says blessed with Cuzzo underneath and that Nipsey blue, bro. So I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all so much for sending this over for the 30th time. If y'all want anything over at CuzzoClothingBrand.com, just use my promo code SNIPE, and I appreciate it as always. They also send over some pins and some stickers. These are dope though. I just started like putting like stickers and stuff on my laptop that I edit with, so these will definitely be going on the laptop that I edit with, bro. Thank you so much for sending these over for sure. Now next up, we got a huge package, the big package that I had to go all the way to the post office to pick up because it wouldn't even fit in my P.O. box. So without further ado, let's get into that. Woo, this is big, bro. Look at that. Should I thumbnail this, bro? Should I thumbnail it like this? I ain't gonna hold you. I definitely thumbnailed it like this. Anyways, man, this package is huge and it's a great opportunity for y'all. I already know where this company is from. I don't know what's in the box. So I'm gonna keep, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna kind of keep it. Come on, bro. I'm gonna keep the suspense level high. I ain't gonna tell y'all who it's from. We about to open it up together and we all gonna see it together. Here we go, man. Let's see what we got going on, bro. The only thing about these huge boxes, I'll be trying to unbox it live or on the camera, and I always mess it up. Here we go. I got it all. There we go. Boom. I think this one came with a note too. This come with a note? Nope. Came with a sticker. Can't let you see what the sticker is, but just relax. Just relax. We're gonna open it up. Receipt that we don't need, and the product we have is here. Bow, shout out to Soul Premise, man. If you don't know, now you know. My Biggie Small Voice, man. The best, the most premier sneaker luxury bag company in the game. Now this right here is exactly what I have been waiting for, guys. This is the all black luxury leather bag. Now, I've been rocking with Soul Premise for a while now. They are really reaching out to a lot of other YouTubers like myself. They reached with Mike Rich, man. They linked up with my boy Jumperman Chris, to Unbreakable Kicks, to Fight Academy Kicks, to a lot of people, man. It's a lot of people that they have. And one thing about me, I can honestly say, I don't promote stuff that's like not legit. I won't promote something that's a ripoff to my subscribers because I grind for this. I grind to have a following that, you know, actually rocks with me, stand behind me, and take notice in the things that I like. I also take pride in knowing that whatever I send you guys or wherever I push y'all to, I know y'all in good hands. One thing I can honestly say is the people over at Soul Premise, they will definitely take care of you, man. This leather, I'm not gonna hold you. This is the best leather you probably gonna find in the luxury bag, and it's way more affordable than most of all of the luxury bags out there. A huge reason why is because you can use my discount code Snipe Squad and you can get, what, 30% off, bro? You get a whole 30% off. I know y'all be used to me telling y'all promo codes and discount codes where you get like 10% off and 5% off, but 30% off, that's a huge chunk of change. The duffel bag is definitely one of the newer ones they have coming out. I have like the orange one. The black one is the one I've been waiting for because it's way easier to rock and it's different to do. I usually bring my duffel bag or my book bags with me whenever I'm traveling to SneakerCon. If you go over to soulpremise.com, they will be linked down in the description. They have bags, travel bags, that can fit TSA approved above your head, that fits 5 pair of sneakers, a laptop, camera. This is what I bring to me every time I go to SneakerCon. Leather is great. The spacing that you get in these bags, I didn't even know it exists. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm like, bro, how can I get 5? I wear a size 12. How can I get 5 pair of shoes in here? And I actually got all 5 pair of shoes in there, and it's actually TSA approved. I never carry luggage. I never throw my luggage under the plane, man. It just goes right over the top of me. This here, I'm not sure, man. It looked like a regular gym bag on the inside, but I know for sure the side panels hold some sneakers. It also has like secret compartments. A lot of their bags have secret compartments. You might not even really know how much room you really got because it's a lot of compartments on the side. Alright, look, I'm not even gonna over exaggerate, bro. So this is the side pouch. Watch how far my arm go down. My whole elbow is in there, bro. My whole elbow is in there. Look how spacious it is. It's a lot of space. I'm not gonna hold y'all. But that is pretty much it for today, man. Today really wasn't a long video. I'm sorry, guys. I have a lot to do. I got a lot more videos coming. Some stuff y'all definitely gonna be excited about. I just can't say it yet. Anyways, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. As always, make sure you leave a like down below. Both of the unboxings that I did, both of the links will be down below. Just so y'all won't be confused, I will have the links and I will have the discount codes besides the links, so y'all can make sure y'all use the right one. And until next time, man, I appreciate y'all. It has been real. I am Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.